YouTube, just making this coolant change video. I've done the coolant change already. I didn't want to make the video while I had all coolant dripping everywhere. Cause I like to keep my bikes nice and clean, keep all the exhaust, you know, stain free, and do everything sort of quickly instead of filming. But basically, there's a plug on the other side of the bike, just showing the right side because it's easier to sort of, the bike's been lowered, but there's a bolt under here. You can't see on the other side, it's a bit too dark in this shed. And you take the left side cowl off to do your drain of your radiator, and there's a plug about here. It's a plastic one that you sort of grip with pliers or whatever. Some of them have got a metal plug, but this is a later one, 1250 Nightrod, and that'll drain your radiator. And the other drain for the rest of the coolant in the motor is just there, where my finger's pointing. It's at the front of the cylinder. It's a little tiny drain plug. It's an Allen bolt. I think it's a 5mm, might be a 4mm. And then once you drained everything, you put all your bolts back in, your drains in. There's another, once you take your airbox cover off, you'll locate a plug that's covering a another Allen screw that blanks off your line from your top of the radiator back to the filler neck, and that's the bleed plug or bleed screw. Basically all you need to do is fill it up slowly in the filler neck, and then under here until you see your coolant dripping out of this plug up here. Then put the plug back in and top up the rest of the reservoir, and you're good to go. In a couple of cooling cycles we will let you know if there's any air in the system. Just keep topping it up, but it should be right as long as you fill it up slowly. Otherwise you get air bubbles, as I mentioned. So thanks for watching.